Here's how you can turn any PDF file into a Word file in a few easy steps. Follow this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, we have this PDF file right here. It's a novel by Shakespeare. Let's open it up. As you can see, it's untidy and the font is not readable. Let's minimize it for a little bit. And also we have this Word file right here that I'm going to open it. And as you can see, it's all empty. There's nothing in it. Some people would think by dragging the PDF file into this Word file, every content in the PDF file would appear ASAP, but it's not true. By dragging this PDF file, you'll only get this little icon right here that is completely useless. I'm gonna select it and then hit the backspace on my keyboard to delete it. Well, actually, all you need to do is to come to the View tab and then click on the Outline option and then Show the document and then click on the Insert button and choose the PDF file that you need to insert into the Word document. Wait for a bit and then click on OK. Now, it might take a few moments depending on the computer that you're using. Now we have the most ugliest document that you can ever possibly have, but there is a solution for this. Drag your mouse onto the Close Outline view. Right here, click on it, and there you go. You have the full document right here. You can edit it, change it, colorize it, and everything that you need. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment and subscribe to our channel before leaving. Hope to see you again. I'm here to help you find out solutions to the problems that you come up with in your tech world.